Hello guys, good morning. Thanks for tuning in. Another morning here in the creek. I'm gonna try if I can catch some trout here. We did have some good amount of rain last night, so this water is kind of dirty. All right guys, stay tuned. This one, little guy. It's not bad. Oh yeah. All right guys, beautiful brown. Pretty. Oh, this one. That's brown. Come here, buddy. Yes. All right. Just a little guy. Pretty though. It's number 2. There she go. Come on, fishy, fishy. Oh, there's one. Oh, nice one. Thought I was snag. Oh, nice fish. Nice brown. Come here, buddy. Oh, yes. Whew. All right, guys. Beautiful brown. Calm down, buddy. Look at that. Pretty. There she go. All right, let's get another one. I thought I was snagged. Gotta have another one in here. Oh, this one. Whoa. Nice brown. Whew. Yes. All right, guys. Another beautiful brown. Look at that. Nice. All right, let's get another one. That was fun. Gotta have fish in here. Ooh! I knew it! Ooh. Whoa, spooling drag. Where'd he go? Nice fish. Oh yeah, nice one. Come here, buddy. Oh yes. All right, guys. So must be the biggest one for today. Look at that. Beauty. There she go. All right, let's get another one. Ooh. Got another one. Little brown. Pretty. It's not bad. Let's get another one. Ooh, another one. Oh, another nice one. Oh, it's not. Come here, buddy. Yes. All right. Come down, buddy. Pretty. Well, let's get another one. Oh, yeah, little guy. That's like 4 in this hole here. All right. I don't care if it's small, they're pretty. Look at that. Yeah.
Up there, it's nice. You can catch trout, smallmouth.
Yeah. A bunch of trout in here. Oops. There's one. Oh yeah. Woo. Another solid brown. Oh yeah. Oh, it must be the biggest one. Oh yes. All right, guys. Another beauty. Look at that. Pretty. There she go. All right, let's get another one. Maybe there's another one in here.